Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at the RC60i speakers from manufacturer Polk Audio. So these are in-ceiling speakers, and as you can see on the box, it also talks about in-wall speakers, part of the series. We'll cover that later. On the side of the box there is some information on the installation, and on the rear some information on the company Polk Audio, when it was founded, etc. So without further ado, let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. Alright, so we can see some documentation, and first off is the user manual or product guide for the RCI series. So this is a whole set of in-wall or in-ceiling speakers, and you can see information on all of the different units in there. Next up is a mail-in product registration card. And the next one is also about product registration with an offer to win a grand prize. So after removing the styrofoam packaging, you can see that there is some cutout cards or guides. So these are for actually measuring the speaker or drawing the slots into the ceiling. And also while painting, you can use them as paint masks to keep the speakers clean. So this is a nice inclusion from Polk Audio. Looking at the speakers themselves, and they do come with included screws for mounting. You can see that it's white in the front, and at the rear you can see the magnet which drives the speaker. The model number, that being RC60i, is mentioned on the speaker magnet, as well as the Polk Audio branding. Looking at the side cross section, you can see the speaker magnet as well as the cone which it drives, as well as some circuitry. Of course, there's the binding posts, the black and red. And looking at the front, it's a white baffle, quite attractive actually, a steel baffle with a surrounding white plastic plate. Hit pause now for the quick spec sheet, and do get subscribed if you aren't. We will set this up in one of our home theaters, play some movies, and see how it performs as Atmos or in-ceiling speakers. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share this with a friend who's into audio video, and see you in the next one.